Seamless Shell Scheme Graphics Installation Guide. Your seamless shell scheme frames are supplied in high-quality padded carry bags, making them easy to transport, store, and protect between events. To get started, simply unfold each hinged frame and clip the crossbar into place. There's no need for tools, and assembly only takes a few seconds per frame. Repeat this process until all the frames required for your display configuration have been assembled. Before connecting the frames together, make sure they're all facing the same direction. You'll find arrow stickers on each frame to help with orientation. In this example, we've positioned the upper clips on the left and the lower clips on the right. The frames are then joined together using the simple twist and lock clips, creating a secure connection between each section. At the top of the framework, red straight connectors provide additional strength across the wall. The lower connections will be completed later when we install the feet. Now it's time to fit the fabric graphic. Each graphic is finished with a sewn silicone edge, which simply pushes into the channel around the frame. This is where the system really comes into its own. Unlike traditional shell scheme graphics, a single fabric graphic can span multiple frames, creating a completely seamless finish with no visible panel joins. The system is also incredibly flexible. For example, on this 4-meter wall, you could choose to use one large graphic or split the display into two smaller graphics. This can be particularly useful if future events require a smaller stand space. With the graphic fitted, we can now install the feet. The feet simply slide into the frame, and just like the rest of the system, no tools are required. This installation uses 3 different foot types: middle feet for joining frame sections, end feet for the end of a wall run, and corner feet for creating L-shaped configurations. The corner feet work together with a matching top corner connector to create a strong and secure corner section. The feet shown here have been specifically designed for use within shell scheme exhibition spaces. They don't protrude beyond the rear of the display, allowing the framework to sit neatly against the shell scheme wall. Full-depth feet are also supplied, giving you the option to use the system as a completely freestanding display when shell scheme walls aren't available. Once the feet are fitted, the display can be stood upright. Thanks to the lightweight aluminium construction, a single person can easily lift and position the wall. The fabric graphics are durable, machine washable, and fold down for compact storage between events. Configure your seamless shell scheme exhibition stand at reflexexhibitions.com today, or give our team a call to discuss your requirements.